A booster pump is a mechanical device used to increase the pressure of a fluid, usually water, in a piping system so that the fluid can flow with sufficient force to the required location. Simple definition. A booster pump is a pump that raises low fluid pressure to a higher pressure level. A booster pump is an electrically driven pump that adds energy to a liquid through an impeller, increasing its pressure and flow rate within water supply or industrial system. Low-pressure water booster pump. High-pressure water. It does not create water, it only increases pressure. Maintain constant water pressure. Supply water to higher elevations, upper floors. Improve flow in long pipelines. Support equipment requiring stable pressure. Common applications. Residential houses and apartments. High-rise buildings. Irrigation systems. Industrial water systems.